Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy tacos at home. First, let's talk about your protein. Select lean options such as ground turkey, chicken, or even plant-based choices like black beans or lentils. When cooking, ensure you drain any excess fat from your meat. This simple step significantly reduces the calorie and fat content, making your tacos much healthier right from the start. Aim for about 4 ounces of cooked protein per person. Next, let's boost the nutritional value with plenty of vegetables and smart grain choices. Pile on colorful veggies like bell peppers, onions, and shredded cabbage. Instead of traditional flour tortillas, opt for whole wheat versions or crisp lettuce wraps to cut down on calories and increase fiber. Don't forget fresh salsa and a few slices of avocado. These add fantastic flavor and beneficial healthy fats, making your meal satisfying and delicious. Now let's talk about smart toppings and seasoning. Instead of full-fat cheese, choose a low-fat option or just a small sprinkle of flavorful cottage cheese. For seasoning, create your own blend with chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder to avoid excessive sodium found in pre-made packets. Skip those creamy, high-calorie sauces. A squeeze of fresh lime juice or a dollop of plain Greek yogurt can provide a tangy kick without the extra fat. Finally, remember the importance of portion control for a truly healthy meal. Aim for 2 or 3 tacos per serving to keep your calorie intake in check. Complement your tacos with a generous side salad, packed with fresh greens, to boost your fiber and nutrient intake even further. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy delicious, homemade tacos that are both satisfying and incredibly good for you, anytime you crave them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.